On a warm morning, a young man approached Gautama Buddha with hesitation. His eyes reflected fear, doubt, and a deep sense of confusion. "Master," he said, his voice trembling, "I have dreams, aspirations, but I am unable to move forward. I fear failure, judgment, and the unknown. I wait for the right time, yet nothing ever feels right. What should I do?" Buddha smiled gently. He gestured for the young man to sit under the shade of a tree. The air was calm, and the rustling leaves seemed to whisper wisdom. "Fear is not your enemy," Buddha began. "It is the voice of your own mind trying to protect you. But often, this voice holds you back from your true potential. Fear and doubt are like clouds, temporary. The sun of your determination is always shining behind them." The young man asked, "But how do I overcome this fear? How do I know when the time is right?" Buddha picked up a dry leaf and held it in his hand. "Do you wait for the wind to stop before walking on a path? Do you wait for the river to stop flowing before crossing it?" He paused, letting the words sink in. The right time never comes. The right time is the moment you decide to act. Time does not wait, neither should you. The young man nodded, but looked troubled. "I also fear society, its rules, its judgments. What if I fail and people mock me?" Buddha laughed softly, a sound filled with warmth. "Society is like a group of blind men trying to describe an elephant. Each has their own opinion, yet none sees the full truth. Should you let the opinion of others, who see only part of your journey, dictate your life?" He continued, "Remember, the path to greatness often begins with being misunderstood. Those who fear failure let others' judgments build walls around them. Break free from those walls, for your journey is yours alone." The young man hesitated again. "But what if their opinions affect me deeply? How do I stop caring?" Buddha leaned closer, his gaze steady. "Imagine you are crossing a river on a small boat. If you carry the opinions of others like heavy stones, you will drown. Let them go, for they have no power unless you choose to carry them. Success is not in pleasing others. It is in fulfilling your purpose." The young man asked one final question. "How can I trust myself when doubt and negative thoughts overwhelm my mind?" Buddha smiled and said, "Your mind is like a garden. If you plant seeds of doubt, weeds will grow. But if you plant seeds of confidence and nurture them with action, a beautiful garden will bloom. Begin by taking one step forward, no matter how small. Confidence will follow." The young man felt a spark of realization. Buddha concluded with a powerful statement. "The mind is everything. What you think, you become. Think fearlessly, act boldly, and live with purpose." As the young man walked away, the sun was setting, painting the sky in hues of orange and gold. He felt lighter, as if the burdens of doubt had lifted, replaced by a newfound determination. Our journey in this video ends here. We hope you've learned something valuable from this story. But before you leave, we have a question for you. What part of this story impacted you the most? Please share your thoughts in the comments so we can all learn from each other's perspectives. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Inner Vibes, and follow us on Facebook. We will continue bringing such videos to you regularly. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy and keep smiling.